Have you ever stared at a simple task, like sending an email or washing a dish, and felt physically unable to move? To the outside world, this looks like laziness, but inside the ADHD brain, it's called task paralysis or inertia. Trying to manage time and emotion with an ADHD brain can feel like trying to grab water with your bare hands. No matter how tightly you clench, it just slips through your fingers.
Let's debunk some common myths about ADHD. It's not just about being hyperactive or inattentive. ADHD is more complex than that.
While everyone has focus dips, ADHD means chronic struggles. First, Stickman Sam organizes his day in a planner. Next, he sets his alarms. He takes his medication, then gives a thumbs up. Myth 2, meds are a crutch or meth. With medication, the blurry world becomes sharp and clear.
Myth, ADHD is just bipolar disorder. Bipolar has long, slow mood cycles. ADHD has rapid event-triggered spikes.
Hey, stop running in class!
For many with ADHD, time is split into two zones. Now, this is time blindness, making it hard to plan beyond the present.
This tower never closes, but it has resilience. Every landing is a win. Welcome to the control tower. It's not broken, it's just permanently short-staffed.